Hey everybody, this is an update on my homemade version of Armor All. Over the last couple of years, I should say, I've been looking at how it's performing and doing a little bit more research on how off-the-shelf car treatments and Armor All type products are made. Now, one of the things I've noticed about my product is I do have to give it a good shake in order to kind of re-homogenize this silicone oil emulsion in water. Some of the products that you'll find at the store have different surfactants and solvents added to them in order to make it kind of like shelf stable. The problem is when you spray these products and apply them to plastics, those solvents will actually act like an extractant, and they'll actually make the natural oils and the ingredients that make the leather or pleather or plastic give it long life. It actually makes them come to the surface and it extracts those solvents, so you actually accelerate the aging of your plastic. Mine does not do that because I do have to just give it a shake, and I left all those types of ingredients out. So I've been applying this not only to the inside of the car but also to the top of the engine and the plastics, and what I'm finding is that everything is staying a lot cleaner because that silicone oil, that thin film I'm putting on everything, is just letting dirt and other things not stick to it and kind of blow off. So when I go to change the oil, the engine is in a lot cleaner condition than it was before I started applying my little Armor All recipe. So just want to give an update. If you guys want to see how that product is made, I'll put a link in the corner to that video. And if you have tried making your own Armor All with my recipe or somebody else's or your own, drop a note in the comments. Let us know how it works. Love sharing good ideas, and hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.